You're not confused. You're not waiting for the right time. You're lying to yourself, and deep down, you know it. You say you want change, but your actions scream comfort. You scroll past motivation videos, nod your head, and do nothing. You've made a home inside your excuses. And the scariest part? You've convinced yourself it's okay. I just need more time. No, you don't. You had time. You wasted it binge watching other people live their lives while yours sat on pause. I'm not ready. You're not supposed to feel ready. Growth feels like fear. If you're waiting to feel safe before you move, you'll rot in the same spot forever. I'm trying. No, you're not. You're half-assing your goals so you can say you tried without risking failure. That's not effort. That's ego protection. You're not stuck. You're comfortable. Stuck is when you can't move. Comfort is when you won't. Big difference. Takeaway. If you want out, stop romanticizing change. Change is ugly. It's uncomfortable. It's losing friends, disappointing people, waking up early, failing hard, and trying again anyway. Discomfort is not your enemy. It's the price of becoming who you said you wanted to be. Pay it. Or keep paying for your comfort with your potential. You don't need a new plan. You need new honesty. So here's the question.